Hi everybody, it's Ed back. I just wanted to make a quick video this morning. I was not able to make it. I wanted to make it about 8ish before everything got kind of kicked off and show you guys what was going on and what my likely levels were for the day. I had some issues here at home, so I'm making it now. All right, so what do we do? This is pre-market, and this is why I keep pounding on people. I keep pounding on them, pounding on them, pounding on them. Watch pre-market. See what's going on in Globex, okay? You can see here, this is what basically happened in Globex, all right? And this is just this is a 5-minute chart, okay? You can go to 15-minute, 5-minute, doesn't really matter, okay? What I'm interested in these orange levels here, 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 and I've got one down here, and I think I've got one, and I've got one up here. Okay, so this is where I'm looking for price to do its thing. Okay, so here's your one and done, to and through, whatever you want to call it. Okay, trade. Here's my 90-minute VWAP. Here's my level, right? Here's my level. So when this guy turns green, okay, when it turns green and I pop up above here, okay, or I can put a buy stop here at that level, which happens to be Globex open. Okay. So why did I pick long? Well, there's the weekly VWAP there. There's the daily VWAP here. Here's the 90-minute VWAP here. They're all stacked up on top of each other. Okay. So it would only be logically to assume that we're going to go up when, either at or before the market opens. So you could buy it, say for example, when it pulled back anywhere in here. You'd have to keep your stop back a little bit. Okay, keep it up above. See this area? That's the 90-minute VWAP extension, and here's the daily VWAP. I would keep my stop above that, of course. Not too far back, but you could keep it back to the latest swing, right? For example, right there, you could keep that. That's 43.95, 75, 43.95, 50, something like that. So 43.90, you say 43.95, 50. You get in at, what was that? Midnight open? 43.97 and a quarter. Okay. So what? Eight tick stop, 2 points, 2 point stop. That's reasonable. Comes down here, doesn't quite reach the bottom of that candle. Or you could keep it there, you could keep it there, and you could move your stop up, right? You can move your stop up as things progress, as you get into the trade. Okay, there's your stop, there's your stop right there, there's your stop here, maybe down here, and you're looking at, here's cash market open. I'm looking at the first or second level up. Okay, so here's the first level up, the orange level, and I publish these levels beforehand, before the market opens. There's your first level, there's your second level. Okay, so I'm looking for those. I'm looking for first or second level up as a target. First level up, I see if, okay, we're going to bounce, right? Here's my second level up, I use it as a target. So what happened this morning? See this? This is a dynamic resistance line right here. And that's that dynamic resistance line for the daily. And then the smaller one here is for the 90-minute, for my 90-minute VWAP. Okay? So what happens? So we're riding this thing up. We get up in here. We break out of that. We peak here. We break out of that, but we don't come down very far. Remember, you're keeping your stop back, right? It doesn't even come back to 90-minute VWAP. So looks like we're in for more cool action. So what happens? We keep going, right here, right up to that level. Okay. So what happens is this red level is we've got this guy is starting to flatten out. The 90-minute VWAP extension is starting to flatten out. This guy he turned over right there. Okay, you can see that. You had 1, 2, 3 chances to get in or to get out, or to reverse your trade, or to get in. If you didn't trade pre-market, you get into the short right here, where here's all this resistance up here. So you just wait. come up here, hits that level right there and bounces. Okay, you could use that as just a target. Okay, so you're in at, what is that, 43.97 and a quarter, up to there's your 10 points, 10 points right there. Okay, so you made 10 points, and so you come back down, you could reverse it, you make 10 more points down here. There's your $1,000 for the day. Okay, now see where these pins, see the red here. Now all of a sudden it switches. Okay, so if you'd have gotten out, where would you get back into your short, right? So I'm out of my long, where do I get back into my short? Well, you could take, if you miss this guy, if you miss the turn here, wait, just wait. All you got to do is wait for the pullback. See the pullback right there? The pullback to that, there's the 90-minute VWAP. It's pointing down, okay? It's getting pretty close to the daily VWAP. The daily VWAP had already started signaling it was going to go down. It popped red there, then it popped green, but this guy has been red for what, 10 minutes? So you take the short and it hit up to RTH open, which is where that 90-minute VWAP was. Hit RTH open, bounced off. So you short RTH open at 44.02.25, 44.02, somewhere around there. Okay, so you can aim down for 43.92. Okay, there's your 10 points, right? 43.92. There's 43.92. We already hit it. Okay, so boom, you got your 10 points. Should bounce up right up in this area here. You see it. See where it bounced? It bounced off this guy. Then it bounced off this guy right up here. Push, push, push. Then it bounced off this guy. Okay, it should come back up here, come back down, and then come back into this. Come back into that level right there, into my orange zone. So that's trading. I'm just sitting here watching. Got my feet up on my desk. I'm drinking a black cherry water. I've had breakfast, and I'm just sitting here watching. And maybe I'll put it on a trading video or something on the other screen. I've got another laptop over here that I can watch trading videos on or read mail or whatever, and have my chart in front of me at the same time. Anyway, hey, I hope you guys have a fantastic, great day. The market's still to the downside. Everything's pointing down. Your 90-minute VWAP extensions are pointing down. Your daily VWAP extensions are pointing down. This has just started. The 90-minute VWAP is just starting to point up right here. Okay, so if you wanted to, you could put your stop, move your stop down here to say midnight open, or say up in here to the daily VWAP. So if it comes back up and tags it again, okay, you're out. Well, you just made money. I mean, what are you complaining about, right? So anyway, I hope this is absolutely helpful. I did another one of these videos, and these levels, these 90-minute VWAPs and the dailies and the weekly VWAPs and the extensions, they work every day. It's been amazing ever since I've started following the VWAP stuff for quite a while now, and it gives you a very, very easy way to get into a trade, get out of a trade, make your money, and go off and enjoy your day. You don't have to sit in front of the charts all day long. All right, see y'all.